Hey guys, Mr. Xbox Gamer 20 here, and today I am doing an unboxing of my gun that I ordered from Airsoft.com, and I forgot what I got, and I haven't been able to, it doesn't show it on the shipping order, so let's just cut it open and see what I got, if this is the right package. Make sure it's recording. These are green paper. I don't know what that's for. Oh, these are stickers. I got a whole bunch of stickers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. I got like 9 or 10 of the Airsoft stickers. And water form. There's a retractable stock. Okay, battery goes in the mag. Sling and some BBs. Okay, the scope works. It is plastic, but that's okay. Batteries in there. And this is a CQB gun. This thing's cool. I think this thing shoots full auto. It's a very short gun. I thought there was a grip that came with it. That's pretty cool. Charger, jamming rod, just like usual. Very long jamming rod. looks like it had some battery in it from test fire. But yeah, guys, it's supposed to be forward. Obviously, Airsplat doesn't guarantee a bag of BBs because unless this counts. There you go. Let's see if I can hook up this. Up some of this stuff while you guys are here. But yeah, guys, that's basically my gun. What I got. I ordered this on Airsplat for $60, and it took a while for the shipping, but do a 1-point sling on this? You must have to do a 1-point sling because I don't see another sling mount. I probably won't end up using this sling because it just broke, but I don't know what this is. It's UK Arms or something. But yeah, guys, that's the gun that I got. The scope kind of works, but it's basically just on there to put the BBs in. You could probably get a better scope. That's just the one that came with it. Put the BBs in right there. It comes with this front sight, and then it comes with the battery mag, and then it comes with this nice retractable stock. I don't know how many settings it has, but this is my only electric gun I sold my SAS, so these are seamless. I'll probably be using these for a test fire. But yeah, guys, that was Mr. Xbox Gamer 28 here, and my gun, my sweet knife. Oh, was that trail knife? Comes with the charger. Charger's right here. You guys basically saw that. I don't want you to be using that sling. It's crappy. But yeah, guys, that was my new gun that I got. And, Mr. Xbox Gamer 28 here, and see you guys for maybe a test fire. I don't know.